everyone, this is MJ and you are at my channel called Planning This Life, where we talk pens, planners, and productivity. Today, let's go through a Coffee Monsters Co. haul. My coffee cup is overflowing. Stay tuned. All right, so let's get to the good stuff. Hot off the presses this morning is my latest pickup from the Coffee Monsters Co. They had a release a little while ago. I think it was on the 15th of May, maybe. This is packed by Mandy. All right, so we have a whole bunch of washi. I love the washies from Coffee Monsters Co. They are unique, they are different. You get a ton for the value, and let's check them out. All right, so first we have like journaling. I'm not quite sure what the name of it is, but Helen always gives great names to her washies. You can see a little journal there, some washi tapes, a little note, a pencil, stickers, just great. So there's one in like a teal color, and then there's one in a pink color. Same vibe. All right. This is, okay, and then she had these awesome art-inspired washies. I believe this is this Van Gogh? Maybe Van Gogh. I'm not sure. Beautiful. This one is Van Gogh. Look at that. With a little emoji there. Just darling. I can't wait to use these. The famous wave with the little emojis hanging around. Love that. And is this a Da Vinci? Possibly. Like a Da Vinci sketchbook of the emojis. Look how awesome. I love it. I love it so much. I can't wait to use it. And this matches that new ink that I was talking about in my last video. Look at that. Yeah. All right. Those are the washies. I hope they're still available because I could see myself repeat buying them. Okay, then we have some stickers. This is the bean card. Do you know about the bean card? You collect your beans and you fill them out and you take a picture of it and you send it in the email and you get a special little bonus sticker sampler. All right, so this one we have. That's an R&R. Tea, coffee, books, and a bathrobe. That's an R&R day for me, baby. This one says, do I need another pen? Yes, get a notebook too. So true. This is a little bonus. This is chapter 5. Every month you get a little bonus sticker thing from the Coffee Monsters Co. Love that. Picked up another book sticker for myself because do I have this one? I don't know if I have this one. And these sticky notes. You get quite a few. Love that. And this is for my Hobonichi. Love, love, love. So that is haul number 1 from the Coffee Monsters Co. I did go back and order, I think, 2 sticker books, and I think they're being delivered tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. We'll be sure to go through it all because I have to get my stickers organized. I don't know about you, but sooner or later, stuff just accumulates, and I like to get everything organized. All right, let me know in the comment section down below. Are you a fan of the Coffee Monsters Co.? Did you pick up any of these washies? They are brilliant. Okay, everyone. So second part of the haul is from Coffee Monsters. This is a part of their subscription program. And the only one that I was able to get into at the time of signups, which was, I believe, back in February, was the sticker. And I'm totally fine with it. Look at the card. I love that. Helen's drawings in the watercolors. And this was packed by Amanda. Okay. Do you do your coffee bean cards? You should. If you don't, you get extra stickers. Okay. So yes, I am in the snail mail. That's what I'm in. I would love to be in the pen pals, but wasn't able to be opened up. All right, but I do love these stickers. Let's see what we got. Okay. Watercolor headers. Look how pretty. I love all of those colors. And guess what? It matches my new pen. All right. Ooh, that's so me. Homebody with the tea, pillows, and book. That is me. If you don't know, I have a BookTube channel. There's a link down below in the description box. Make sure you check it out if you like to read books. Look how, oh, I love it. I love these. They're so great. Absolutely love Helen's artwork. These are the large homebody doodles, and that's me, baby. Then we have Chilling at Home, which I just need a bazillion of these because I love being at home. I'm such a homebody. Then we have Tidy Up, Declutter, Cleaning. Looks like garbage. Good stuff. And then we have transfer stickers. Roughly cut the shape out, peel off white backing paper, position the sticker, and rub to transfer. Peel off the clear film. That's cool. So I think this will be days of the week all the way up until the 31st, it looks like on the back. Let's just see. These are sealed separately, so I don't want to damage them. Let's see what it looks like. How many do we get? Just 2 or 3? I think there's just 2. So that's the first one. And then I'll pull up the second one. Yeah, it goes all the way to 31. So cool, so cute. I love, love, love the colorway of this. Absolutely love it. All right, so that's it from the sticker haul. Let me know your thoughts. Do you guys do stickers on your journals? I just think it makes them pop. I don't overly use them, but I do like to use them once in a while. Awesome stuff. I'll turn it back over to myself. All right, everyone, that's it here for me. I hope you are all doing well. Make sure that you are taking care of yourself so you can take care of others. And I will see you in my next video, whether that be sooner or later. Ink those pens, write those words, and enjoy this awesome, awesome hobby. See you next time.